Hi, I'm Kayte O'Neill. I'm Director of Strategy and Regulation for the System Operator. So we talk in FES about the concept of whole system thinking. And what we really mean by whole system is just that we need to think across gas and electricity, but also we need to think across different sectors like power, transportation and heat to give ourselves a really joined up view of what the future might look like. So what are some of the types of interactions we're thinking about? Well, for example, when we think about changing energy demand, we're not now just thinking about new demand from electrification of vehicles, but we're also thinking about potentially new electricity demand arising from electric heating. And we need to look at that across both fuels. And then when we think about the gas system, we know that the gas system is going to evolve, but we really need to think about how that evolution in gas impacts on the electricity system. And then there are some technologies that will have far-reaching impacts. For example, the infrastructure needed for hydrogen, or as we think about carbon capture and storage, we really need to think about those technologies on a whole system basis. So when we're thinking on a whole systems basis, that thinking comes with really increased complexity across the energy system. And with that increased complexity, for us, comes a huge increase in the volumes of data that we'll need to deal with. We need to think about how we gather that data, how we use it to develop rich insights, and how we can push data back out into the industry where it can be helpful for other stakeholders, not just ourselves. There are new tools that we can use to help us with that, so smart technologies, artificial intelligence. We really need to step up our ability to be able to deal with that increased data. But all of that will help us ultimately when it comes to making sure that we're thinking right across the industry on a whole energy basis.